Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to request a consent form and how to view the requested consent form. So in the patient queue, against the patient, you will be having the more option. So under that, you have the option called request consent. Click on the option and the list of consent forms that are available in the system will be displayed here. If you want to request the digital consent, click on this option. And you also have the option to print the consent form as well as edit and print consent. I need to request a consent, so that I'm going to use this option now. Select the consent that you want to request. You can also select multiple consents and request all together. So now I have the general consent form here. I need to get the signature from the patient. The date is automatically fetched here. As the doctor's seal and signature was attached to that doctor in the system, it got fetched. So if not, you want to get the doctor's signature. Acknowledge the consent form. Click on signature and get the signature from the patient as well as with the doctor if required. Click on save and wait for the consent form to get loaded. Now I can see the patient signature is fetched and the I have the date, the doctor's seal as well as the doctor's signature is automatically fetched. So this option can be used if you got the signature from the patient and the doctor's signature is still pending. So in that case, you can use this option and you can get the signature from the patient. You can keep it on save and continue. And later you can get the signature from the doctor and then you can complete the consent form. So as of now, I got the signature from the patient. I have all the information here. I'm going to complete this consent form. So now you can see that the status got changed to all consent obtained and you can see it is in green color. So this indicates the consent form is completed. To view this consent form, so go to more action again, click on view or edit consent, click on this eye icon and you can view the consent form. You can also print this consent form or download this and save it in your system. And now let me explain you how to view this consent form in the documents area. Let me go to the patient register and select that patient. And I'm going to the documents tab. So under the consent form, so we can see the requested consent here. So this is how you have to request the consent form as well as view the requested one. And thanks for watching. Bye.